Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Motorola Moto G85. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can click on this button to skip introduction, then you can click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, then you can click back and click back again, and now you can click start, and as you can see here is my Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.